So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab and make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video. Now once the lab is started, we'll be opening the console in Cognito window. So just right click and open the link in Cognito window. Here mostly you have to click on I understand and just simply activate the Cloud Shell. How we have to do, I'll show you, do not worry about it. So just click on I understand. Now from here, just click on I agree and continue. And you can see here, just click on it to activate the Cloud Shell. Remove this pop-up. Click on continue. And after that, click on authorize. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared this GitHub repository. You have to come down over here, select it and simply paste over here like this. Now we have to enter the zone. So I'll find the zone. Just use Ctrl F and type zone. So here you can see in number 7, we have a zone. So it might be different for you. So carefully copy it without any extra space or dot. Paste it like this and hit enter. It will just set the region and deploy the cluster, and this will take around, I think, 5 to 10 minutes. So you need to wait for it, and if you get any error, I'll update you. So finally the cluster is deployed. You can see, okay, if you are getting any error, you can just rerun the command. Let me just check whether we have got the score or not. So yes, we have got the score. So this is how we completed the lab, guys. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and share the channel with everyone.